Hello guys, and welcome to the most epic playing card unboxing video that I think I'm ever going to do on this channel. Excuse this blank side, but I need this space. I've got a very sophisticated setup here. I've got my wife's phone ready to record me unboxing this. Now, I've ripped all the label off, and in a minute you'll see simultaneous footage coming up on a second screen, but just so you can see here, this package weighs 31.5 kilograms. So I'm going to get the camera in position, get them both rolling, and we'll unbox this baby. So, it was at this stage I sort of, as soon as I peel back this bubble wrap, that I realised what kind of scale we're talking here. I expected the video to be relatively short, and I didn't really account into the fact there was about 300 decks here. I'd bought an entire collection off a really awesome guy out in Germany. He'd shipped them all over from Germany, 31.5 kilos. So I decided to do a time lapse really, after I'd spent 25 minutes recording me bringing them out and talking about each one. And yeah, so that went out the window. As you can see, I'm just gonna get the decks out and I'll lay them out. Try and get them all in. Ooh, carbon V7s down in Dave's, nice. Yeah, I mean, there was a hell of a lot of decks. Some limited edition Lux there, you can see. There was casino decks, there was bicycle, tons of bicycles. And yeah, it was just, we made a deal. He wanted to shift his collection, he wanted to buy a MacBook, and I made him an offer and we came up with a deal. But I was just sort of unprepared and overwhelmed, really. Anyone who collects playing cards will know that it's that excitement when you get your mail. You're like, ooh. Oh, by the way, those Jerry's Nuggets I'm pretty sure aren't authentic, but who cares? So yeah, you get really excited when your mail comes, and you open a new deck and you're like, hell yeah. So imagine how it feels when you pick up a box that you can hardly carry, and you're carrying it through, and you're like, this is full of playing cards, which is something I'm really passionate about, you know. There, I just showed you some of the open ones. Some of them were open, about a third of them, I'd imagine. And the open ones look like they've literally been opened, looked at, and put back in. There's no creasing, there's no dirt, there's no damage, which is really, really handy, because a lot of the decks that were sent I either don't have, or I already do have, but I've only got one of, so I've been reluctant to open it, or I do have, I've only got one of, and I have opened it. So I've now got a sealed version or an open version, so I don't have to open them. But I mean, yeah, I didn't really want to go through and just time lapse this, but who wants to see a 20-minute video of some guy playing cards out of the box? Plus, I'm going to go on to review probably almost every one of these, so you just have to wait and see, really. I mean, if you want to leave a comment in the comment section below of any particular deck that you've spotted that you'd really like to see a review of, then I'm absolutely happy to take requests, and I will jump them to the top of the queue, so to speak. But yeah, I was really excited. A lot of decks from Theory 11, a lot of decks that I've not seen for a long time. Most of them, like, you can see the Arcane there, and there's the Black Tiger deck and a few others. They're all the original ones and the newer releases as well. Yeah, I was just super impressed. Those original Whispering Imps, they're not the Workers Edition. A whole set of Ornates there. Fatboy Eat All Days, a whole set of Crowns. And it's, yeah, there was a whole brick of these ones at the top, the Allied, I can't remember what they're called, Global Unrest or something. There's a whole brick of them. There was almost a brick of Monarchs as well. I think it was like 9 red, 6 blue, 6 green, I think, which was pretty cool. I mean, I've got the others already, so I've got those already, but there was some V1 reds in there, which was really nice. There was I think a whole brick of Grid 2.0s as well, half green, half blue, half red. So I'm recording this audio in one take as well, so I'm not going to have time to cut out all the ums and ahs. But yeah, at this point I think my wife's phone dies in a second, or runs out of battery, or runs out of memory. So that little box shot in the corner is going to cut out. But yeah, I really wanted this to be an epic unboxing. It's kind of a bit disappointing, really, but I hope you enjoy it. I hope you can sort of pause it and have a look, and if there's anything you see you're quite interested in. And yeah, I mean, it was just a surreal day for me. It was really overwhelming, sort of trying to unbox everything. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you've enjoyed this strange experience. And I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing or unboxing something else maybe. So take care.